Good morning, my YouTube family. I got the smoker fired up. I got some bologna on there. But first, I gotta show you something. Some guy pulled up in my yard the other day and dumped off a bunch of stuff in my chicken pen. But hey, before we get started, make sure you smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet here at Moorhead and Homestead, please hit that subscribe button. So look at these little guys here. Some random pulled up in a white extended cab Chevy pickup. You guys may know who it is. He's also got a creeper van. It's a big green van. But he pulled up and he dropped off these little bitty chickens here. See, I got that little rooster over there. So yeah, a lot of you guys may know it was Dutch. Big thanks to Dutch over there, keeping it Dutch on YouTube. He just lives right down the road. He's downsizing, getting rid of a few animals, and he asked me if I wanted these little banties, and I was like, yeah, I'll take them. And we got some eggs from him, little bitty eggs. Lindy just loves that little rooster. He crows all the time, and it's kind of like a little kid going through puberty. He can't really get all the notes. It's pretty funny. Oh, we got an egg. Hey, there's Callie. Oh, looky there. We got an egg in our little land box. Oh, look. We got another egg. Is that it? Yep, that be it for now. I'll see if I can get out of here. Oh, whew. All right. Did you guys hear that? See if he'll do it again. Yeah, so Lindy just loves it when he does that. Well, he's fired up. Whew. Well, my forehead is sunburnt so bad. That's crazy. I fished 16 hours in the last couple days in a tournament up on a local lake there, Grant Lake, about 50 minutes from me. Caught some small fish, weighed in one decent fish, but it got knocked out of the money. But it's all right. Some older lady, probably in her, I don't know, close to 60. She won big bass. She had a 7.92 pound bass, almost an 8 pound bass. That's pretty impressive. She's the first woman to ever win the big bass tournament on the big bass tournament trail, so big congratulations to her. Let's check my temperature here. I was shooting for about 275, but 300 is going to have to work right now. I'm going to set these eggs down. I'm going to show you what we've been working on. I'll show you what we've been working on the last couple days. Well, Lindy has been working. Look at my head. See how red that is? Oh, it hurts so bad. It hurts to wear this cap. So what Lindy's been working on these last couple days, well, I've been off fishing and playing.
What do you want the most?
Hunter, what are you doing? Swimming. There's my little niece Brookie. Say hi.
I can go underwater.
Show me.
What do you mean? I can go underwater? I want to use my goggles.
Oh, there's Sissy coming. Just go under real quick. Let's show everybody you can do it.
Where? Hunter, can I use this then? Watch me.
Woo! All right, let's see it, buddy.
Go!
Yeah.
No, wait. Papa, Mammy. Papa, Mammy.
You got some trespassers.
What are you doing?
Look at Thor being a good guard dog. Get him, Thor. Get him, Thor. Alright, so you've seen the kids in the swimming pool. Having fun. It's getting warm. It's been mid-80s for the last couple days. Supposed to get up in the 90s next weekend, so that's exciting. Show you these quail. They're getting pretty big. I actually just listed them for sale. So if any of you guys are watching this that are local around here, if you'd like to buy some quail, they are the perfect size. So $5 each, $4 for 10 or more, or maybe an offer. I don't know. What we're gonna do, I guess, kids are wanting some rabbits, so quail bye-bye, rabbits coming into the rabbit hutch. So that's where we're at with that. Let's take a look at this bologna, see how it's looking. It's starting to look pretty good. It's only got about 30 minutes left. It'll be ready. Perfect for lunchtime. Be straight up noon. Get it out, slice it up, make some barbecue bologna sandwiches out of it. Sounds pretty good. I'm gonna check back in with these kids here. Looks like Hallie finally got in the pool. What are you kiddos doing in there? Hey, stand up, show them how you surf.
Oh no. I don't like this.
Oh, can't do it. Hunter, can you do it?
I'll try one more time. That wasn't even my surf. That was a better one.
Alright, see if you can do that.
I'll try. Yesterday I face planted doing this. That's as long as I could do it. Let go, Hallie. I did it! I did it!
Tell everybody hi.
Bye! See you later. Bye-bye.
You just squirted. Alright guys, there you have it. So we got this gravel spread out yesterday, I think. That's on the video here. It's a lot better. We had a lot of washouts. You guys know we have been getting hammered with rain, just like pretty much all across America. I believe there hasn't been a drought in several years, except for maybe Arizona. But we got this gravel spread out here. I'll show you. Our driveway, it's a lot smoother now. We had a bunch of just washout spots. We need to get a few more because it's still, we need to put some right here. It's another little low spot right here, down through here. So we don't quite need a full load of gravel, but we're probably gonna get it. Better to have a little extra than not have enough. So let's go check out this redone. So our cucumbers or not our cucumbers, blah. So our watermelon and cantaloupe didn't make it. What is this? And the potatoes. Oh, what is that in the potatoes? Snake skin. That ain't good. I wonder if it's from that king snake the other day. But we got our potatoes there. We got our corn. Coming up right down there. We got our tomatoes. We got most of them tied up. It's coming. We got our okra and then we got our squash down there. So it's coming along. The dogs have been in here. The dogs came in and they've knocked over corn. They've dug up corn. You can see that row right there is about all the way destroyed from the dogs. Not really excited about that. So they've tore up that tomato plant, a lot of this corn. So they are what you call in the doghouse. So, alright guys, well, that's all we got today on this video. If you liked it, smash that like button if you haven't already smashed it. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. So thanks everybody for tuning in today. Till we meet again, God bless.